You wanna go for a ride? Yeah? You wanna go for a ride? Oh. You're welcome, Mom. Okay, so you know how chainsaws have CCs? Well, I've been testing my chainsaws on Instagram and TikTok and stuff like that. And there is a CC question that I want to figure out. Bishop! Bishop! Ow! Jaggers! Here, play with this. Try messing with that. All right. Anything that's new, Banjo has this like weird dance that he does with anything that's new. Okay, so the 201. The 241 and the Pinkway. Get in there! The CCs on these saws, okay? Let me get my crayon somewhere. I have like ratchet scrunch, tissues, screws. I got a million things in this one pocket. Pinkway, okay? Pinkway has 63 CCs. You see that? Trying to make it darker. 63 CCs. My handwriting is horrible. Okay, the 241 has 43 CCs. Okay, 43 CCs. The 201 has 35 CCs. Okay, that's a little higher. So with the CCs, you would think that the higher the CCs, the faster the saw would be, right? I don't know. So here's the whole test that happened over on social media. I raced the Pinkway against the 241. Okay, that's a 20 CCs different, and the 241 beat the Pinkway. I don't know if I'm just a really bad tester or what, but then we did a test with the 241 against the 201, and the 201 beat the 241. So what the heck is going on? I don't know, I have questions. So I'm still learning, so bear with me. I'm just learning this whole thing. So we are going to test all three of these saws together and see which one is faster, or am I just a really bad test taker? Banjo is digging. Buddy, what'd you find? Oh my goodness, is this a hole from some critter? Or are you just digging? I think he's just digging. Go Banjo, go! Go Banjo, go Banjo, go! Okay, so let's go over to the log pile and test them out. I got a card in my pocket. All right, so we have our three saws. We've got the Pinkway, the 241, and the 201. We're gonna go over grabbing with the Pinkway first and go down the line. We're doing a warm-up cut first, and then immediately afterwards, we're going over to the Scotch Pine and doing the time cut. So let's get started. The saw. I don't like how to start the saw because my brain's like math problems. I'm used to my steels. Okay. Gotta get that burp. Okay, let's grab the 241. That actually didn't feel too bad, running that. I love the saw. You can't go wrong with the saw. All right, let's grab the 201. Actually, let's swap out the bars. And I'm gonna grab my nifty tool that I just got. Super cool. Perfect time to introduce this tool too. So this isn't sponsored or anything. This is called a ratchet scrunch, and it's exactly what it's called to do. It does exactly what it's called, and I am so bad at figuring it out at first. But once I figure it out, like, I don't know if I'm tightening it or loosening it. That's tightening it. Okay. Isn't this so nifty? I think this is so cool. I'm just using the same bar and chain because this is a brand new chain. All of these chains are relatively new. All right, last saw, 201. Warm up cut first over here and then straight into the time cut. 201. I also really like this saw. What do you guys think? I don't know the times. All right, so from fastest to slowest, obviously you guys know the times. I'm just kind of guessing and going off by my horrible memory. I think this one, 241 was the fastest, second fastest, and then Pinkway. Am I right? Oh, don't do that. You can't show the people that. Good job, buddy. He just like has never pooped like out in public. It's only been in our yard. And we have this trail that we walk like every day. And he's never pooped on this trail once. Good job, buddy.